Ever wondered how a typewriter works? Let's dive into the magic of this vintage machine. First, you press a key, and a metal arm swings up to strike the ink ribbon. This transfers ink onto the paper, creating a letter. Simple, yet brilliant. Each key is connected to a different arm, allowing for a full range of letters and symbols. The satisfying ding you hear, that's the carriage return bell signaling it's time to start a new line. Typewriters require no electricity, just your fingers and a bit of muscle. They're a testament to the beauty of mechanical engineering and the art of writing. So next time you see a typewriter, give it a try and feel the nostalgia. And remember, every keystroke is a step back in time, connecting us to writers of the past.